Tulsi powder and its amazing benefits. Yes, today I'm going to talk about the incredible gift which is the Tulsi powder, the holy basil powder, which is basically cherished for centuries in Ayurveda for the powerful healing properties. Today I'm going to talk about why you should use it and why it deserves a place in your daily life, which can provide you with immense benefits. Let's first talk about what actually is a Tulsi powder. Tulsi, it is a holy basil, scientifically known as Ocimum sanctum. It is a herb revered in India and globally as well. It's called the queen of herbs due to the wide range of therapeutic and spiritual benefits. Tulsi powder is made by drying and grinding the tulsi leaves, creating a natural remedy packed with goodness. Whether for immunity, skin care, or stress relief, Tulsi powder is your go-to solution. Let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse when it comes to the Tulsi powder. The number one is the vitamins, the A, C, K, essential for immunity and skin health, is present in the Tulsi powder. Number two is the minerals, calcium, iron, and zinc, which are vital for overall well-being. Another one is the phytochemicals, eugenol and flavonoids known for the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now, these nutrients make Tulsi powder a treasure trove of healthy benefits. Let's talk about the healthy and the incredible benefits of Tulsi powder. The number one is the boosting of your immunity. Tulsi is a natural immune booster. It fights off infections, strengthens your body defense mechanisms, and keep you protected year round. Number two is reducing your stress and anxiety. If you feel overwhelmed, Tulsi powder has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps your body to combat stress and promotes a calm, focused mind. It's your natural stress buster as well. It also supports your respiratory health. Tulsi is excellent for respiratory issues like cough, cold, and asthma. Its antimicrobial properties clear congestion and soothe the irritated throats. It also helps to enhance your skin health. So when it comes to the skin health, say goodbye to acne and tan skin because Tulsi powder works wonder for skin clarity and radiance. You can use it as a face mask to fight blemishes, reduce pigmentation, and slow the aging process. You can also use Tulsi to promote your hair growth. Yes, struggling with hair fall or dandruff. Tulsi nourishes your scalp, strengthens your hair roots, and promotes the growth that you need. Use it as a hair mask for a natural shine, which is definitely going to help you a lot. Another one is the detoxification of your body. Tulsi helps to cleanse your liver, remove the toxins, and boost your digestion. It's a natural detoxifier that basically refreshes up your system. Another one is the balancing of your blood sugar level. So if you are managing diabetes, Tulsi powder helps stabilize the blood sugar level. Regular consumption can support your glucose metabolism, which is definitely going to provide you an extra edge. Improves your heart health. Tulsi reduces the bad cholesterol, control the blood pressure, and protects your heart from the long-term complications, which is definitely a very good thing. But how to use Tulsi powder? That's the different thing. Number one is you can use as a Tulsi tea. Add a teaspoon of Tulsi powder to a hot water, let it steep, and enjoy a calming herbal tea. You can enhance it with a honey or a lemon. Another one is the skin care and hair care. You can mix Tulsi powder with rose water for a rejuvenating face mask or blend it with coconut oil for nourishing your hair mask. Another thing is the detoxification of the drinks that you are making. Add a pinch of Tulsi powder to your smoothies or any detoxified drink that you drink for a healthy boost. Another one is a traditional milk mixture. Mix your Tulsi powder with warm milk for a soothing bedtime drink, which is definitely going to be a superfood. Another one is using as a supplement. Tulsi powder capsules or powdered forms are great for busy lifestyle who are not looking for any tulsi in leaves intake or something like that. They can simply take the powdered form of tulsi, which is super beneficial and provide the same results. Beyond the health benefits, the spiritual significance hold an immense place when it comes to the tulsi because it holds a special place in the Indian culture. It's considered sacred, often planted in the homes for the spiritual protection and the purifying aura. The precautions that I want to tell you is that while tulsi powder is a natural, moderation is the key. Avoid the overuse of it and consult a doctor if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on any different medication. So, always ensure you purchase a high quality organic tulsi powder for maximum benefits, which is definitely going to substitute your tulsi intake and provide you the health benefit that you were looking for. So, tulsi powder is more than just an herb, it's a holistic remedy for your body, for your mind, and the soul, and it's a versatile addiction and a versatile addition to your routine when it comes to your body wanting it to consume it. So if you found this video helpful and found this video extra informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. Let us know your experience with tulsi powder in the comments below. Stay healthy